building of a shelter. So hopefully, we would like to thank you for being so generous coming here today and spending time with us. And now we have our contestant. Sorry, I feel like I'm in a pageant.
Bayan Q, if you're going to sing it for us, looking forward.
She will sing Bayan Ko, which means my country. Sorry, wrong number. She will sing Tagumpay Nating Lahat, which means, my interpreter, what do you mean by Tagumpay Nating Lahat?
I've no idea. I'll tell you what.
I will Google it, then I'll tell you later.
Sing.
Yeah, thank you. Let's all give her a hand, please.
Ng perlas ng silangan, nagdidinig sa buong kapuluan. Taglay ko ang hiwaga ng silangan, at saan mang bayan o lungsod, maging timog, hilaga at kanluran, ang Pilipino ay namumukod. Sama-sama nating abutin, pinagkamatayog na bituin, at ang ating tagumpay, tagumpay ng ating lahi, tagumpay ng ating lipi, ang tanging inimithi at hinahangad. Hangad ko'y tagumpay natin lahat. Ako ay may isang munting pangarap sa ating dakilang lupain, at sasama-sama nating pagsisikap, sama-sama rin mararating ang iba't ibang galaw, iisang patutunguhan. Dito isang araw, isang kapuluan. Sama-sama nating abutin, pinagkamatayog na bituin, at ang ating tagumpay, tagumpay ng ating lahi, tagumpay ng ating lipi, ang tanging minimithi at hinahangad. Hangad ko'y tagumpay natin lahat. Hangad ko'y tagumpay natin lahat.
Thank you.
Fantastic, round of applause. Monique Howell, thank you very much. It's beautiful. And now,
I used to sound like that.
you used to sound like that.
Yeah, but I
never
changed
sounded
my
like that.
career.